Hello everybody. Today I'll demonstrate one of the things you can do with scripting. Now, some people will wonder what is the use of scripting via PowerShell or command line in the real world. The most popular use is in fact that it can automate processes for other IT people, whether that's automation for compiling reports, pushing out updates, backing up computers or servers, and installing applications to many computers to save time and resources. Other uses will be that it can use to manage an Active Directory and its many subcomponents, like group policy, OUs, and it can help to manage, create, or give, or even restrict access to important systems and documents. For a large organization like a school, it can definitely help with keeping track of ingoing and outgoing of college students or even just the Wi-Fi privileges. The average user, however, will just use it for shortcuts to get somewhere on the computer or experimentation. Less popular reasons are most Microsoft products will eventually use PowerShell. Microsoft exams contain PowerShell questions. Not everything can be done in the graphical interface, and most graphical interfaces are just PowerShell front ends. Some other reasons are that it enables interactivity between products, or some people just like it for fun. Now, for my demonstration, I'll install a program on another computer through PowerShell as script for the example of a live, you're on the location, push install. By running the script, it will silently install the program on both the client computers for my demo LAN server 1 and 2 from the host computer LAN DC1 and return a failed message for the non-existent computer I've listed LAN server 3. Now, for my demo, I have VMs running Windows Server 2016. They have 4 gigs of RAM. They have network file share turned on for the domain, and both are admin managed by the domain controller. Now, the program I'm going to push out and install is Notepad++. Now I'm going to go to my script and explain how exactly it'll work. Here is my domain controller, LAN DC1, and here is my script. Now for the very first line, it'll get a list of our computers from a computer.txt file, as you see here, that has LAN server 1, 2, and our non-existent 3. And for the next line, it'll look for our source and the install folder we have in the C drive right here. And then for the destination where it's going to put the folder is the hidden admin chair C drive on the other computers. And it'll test the path to make sure it can reach the install folder and the program that we're going to install. Now for the main body of the script, for each server in our list, it'll test the connection to see if the server is on. If the server is on, it'll return our server's not online, installation failed message. If the server is on, it'll copy our installation folder with its program into its destination. And once it's copied everything over, it'll test the path again on the subordinate computers to make sure the copy was successful. If it was, it'll invoke the command on the said computer and run the script block on the command line of our install command. Now for the install command, it'll check to make sure that if any Notepad++ program is in said computer, it'll uninstall the program silently, and then it'll install the new program silently as well. Now, for the last 3 lines, if it's successful, it'll give us in green the installation successful on server 1 and 2. If it's not, it'll return our said server has failed the installation. Now, let's run the script. And there's the first one. As you can see, it successfully returned our green message for a successful installation on LAN server 1. And there's number 2. Now all we have to wait is for the purposely failed message for server number 3 saying it's not online. And there we go. That's the successful run of my script. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did have help with writing of the script from the Notepad++ website on how to install it silently, and the Microsoft website for how to use commands, or just remembering how to use a certain command like write hosts, or what to put in a line just to make it succeed. And that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. See you next time.